that long.
Garett, what's the name of your rocket?
I need help.
What's the name of your rocket?
I don't know.
You gotta hold down that top button. Now just a second. Count down to 10.
No,
I'll count.
no, cover my ears.
Okay, I'll cover your ears. Okay.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whoa!
Uh-oh.
Down the road.
It's gone.
No, it's...
Oh, something just went flying.
It's the parachute!
Oh, there's the rocket.
It's the parachute!
No.
The parachute!
Blew the rock.
It's the parachute! It's coming down! Oh my gosh! Oh my...
The rocket almost came down on the car.
That is...
Look at that. Uh-oh. Don't land on Jack's car.
That's
Oh,
gone.
it's beyond.